This is the daytime in Jamaica, so that because it's tropical, that means you can see. You can see.
it. This is. The jelly might say if you want straw. That's a no, right?
No,
yeah. We are not Americans.
That one
looks so sweet. Can't come to Jamaica and not have a coconut jelly water. And the one with the meat too. Look. Yes, we have the coconut jelly water with the meat, the good jelly meat. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. And today we are in beautiful St. Thomas, Jamaica. We're actually right in front Goodyear. What over here's the name? Goodyear? Martin Bay Urban Center. The new name is Martin Bay Urban Center. It's really, I can't believe all this is in St. Thomas right now. Look at it. Amazing. So many job opportunities is coming up shortly. Yeah.
You're gonna have the government office.
Banks.
The courthouse is gonna be there.
Wow, they're moving the courthouse here?
This guy should know.
Ah.
So we get pulled over. Speeding.
I don't know if we were going there.
I wasn't going 85, but they said I was getting 85. Pardon?
No, not you. Sorry.
Not you.
That's right, that's it.
So the cops lied and says 80. We're going in a 50-mile zone, but the speed limit sign right here. So we're in we're at now, Stacey, and we're at Spanish Town Road, and we're exactly 100 miles away from Half Moon Hotel. So we're gonna drive 100 more miles, and then we have a dinner at Pata. Dump the poor side of Jamaica. Recycling, a lot of recycling.
I just left in the front line, huh?
Because they're selling some of them. They sell some of the recycled stuff. And the river transit dump is down here as well. Yeah. So this is like ultra industrial zone. We're driving in the mountains in Jamaica, and it's like 1 o'clock in the day. You can't see anything. It's a fog. Fog, you can't see anything. This is the daytime in Jamaica, so that because it's tropical, that means you can see. You can't see
it. This is.
So guys, we're at the border of Trelawney and St. Ann. Station of her umbrella.
We're on our way back to Montego Bay, but we had to stop and take pictures of the sign.
Yes, it's at the border. So now
so we get to take two at the same time.
So now we're in two parishes.
St. Ann, yes, we are. We're at the border. If we're standing right here, then we're at the border.
Yeah, right? At the border. Yeah. So Stacey is in there. And then St. Ann and you're in Trelawney. Yeah. You gotta pay a fee. You gotta pay a fee to come this way.
I have to pay a fee?
You gotta pay a fee to come.
Okay, alright. How about I pay you with a...
If you put a toll right here.
Kiss. I'll give you a kiss to let me pass.
A kiss? No, that's not enough. No. I need more than that.
Really? We are now entering St. James. It's raining. We're not coming out of the car this time. We're just gonna take vlog from inside the car.
It's a lot of rain.
Yep.
It is a lot of rain.
It's a lot of rain.
St. James.
It's been raining almost all day. Like every other parish there's rain. That one parish that was so foggy, but every other parish is like just rain. Every other one.
St. Catherine.
The fog was in St. Catherine.
Yeah.
Oh my God, that was very scary though.
So we in St. James now. Essentially, St. James is in Montego Bay is in St. James. So this is our final parish before we
get to our destination.
Yeah, unless we continue going, we go to like Lucy and Hanover. And
we're not continuing to go anywhere. That's it.
Why are you so scared, sis?
I'm not scared, but we have somewhere to be.
What time we have to get there? It's 4 o'clock.
No, we're going there right now.
Oh, it's 3 o'clock.
It's 3 o'clock. Oh.
Yeah, 3:01.
So it's perfect timing for us to go and get ready.
Yeah. What time is the thing? 6 o'clock?
6.
So we got 3 hours.
We're not there yet and it's raining.
We're almost there.
We're almost there. It's supposed to take us another, what, 20 minutes?
Yeah.
But still, you never know. We can't predict anything. A cop may pull you over again.
Yeah.
Maybe some more fog.
Crooked cops. Give me a $10,000
Got a nice
ticket. And they wanted to get money.
Well, he didn't ask you for money, but the way that he was acting, yeah.
It was like, oh.
But when that's what I was trying to tell you. Don't get annoyed at him because I was gonna try to negotiate, but you're like, okay.
I didn't want to negotiate.
He's like, Mr. Denton. Is that Mr. Denton? This is a $10,400 ticket, and you get a fine. I would give you a fine for this. And he walked towards the front. Orla's like, okay. I'm like, yeah, I'm late. Okay. Orla's right to be upset. I'm like, no. But then I think he saw the camera, and then they stopped someone else in the back. So the police was probably like, whatever, I don't want your money right now. I'm just gonna take some money probably from, well, I don't know that they did that. I can't say that.
Mind that I wasn't gonna pay them money anyway.
Oral took the ticket and he's like, oh well.
I'm not paying them no money.
Like, oh well, there we go.
I'm no crooked cop business. I'm not paying no money.
Hey guys, so tonight we are attending an all-white party. So we're here in Jamaica, we're hanging out with friends, and every night it's a special theme. So yesterday we hung out at the beach, and tonight it's all-white affair. Tomorrow I think it's all Jamaican colors. All right. It's on my bathroom.
Oh, it looked nice. I was in the other one.
Oh, I'll try them both on.
Hello.
So I'm not sure if I'm wearing this, so this is my first option. I'll try another one on, maybe.
I'm tweezing, man. What's wrong with you?
Self-care? Hurry up, we're late.
What's wrong with you, man? What's wrong with you?
Hurry up.
I'm tweezing.
Self-care. Okay, darling. All right. All right, let me. This is number 2.
Turn around, let me see.
Yeah, I think I like the. I think this is sexy, but I think I like the other one better.
Yeah.
You like the other one better?
Yeah.
What do you guys think? I may have to take out the second earring. It doesn't look good with this.
We're in a Louis Vuitton earring.
Yeah.
You get that much money.
I'll take out my sheen.
Well, you get that much. It's much easier for me to get ready.
Oh, really?
Much easier. Much easier. One suit. I fit it on one time.
But you just went and changed your underwear. Oops, you wear a color. You had a color underwear with the shirt.
Showing.
I didn't realize guys had to like make sure they were.
I don't blame Stacey for outfit, but I did change.
Yeah.
I changed my
He always
pants.
says that.
I changed my pants. And I was blaming her, so
Yeah.
I don't know if to apologize or not, but
Aww.
I did say that she was trying the one-on-one, but I did.
Oh, see, you
I
did
changed
the
my
same.
pants.
You did the same darn thing. Guys, I think we're ready.
Oh, one thing.
What?
My contacts.
Uh-oh.
And my contacts. Should
Yeah.
I put it in? Do I need it?
I don't know. Maybe you don't. I cannot put a contact in, okay? I wear glasses for distance, and I do not know how to put a contact in. Well, like if I'm driving at night, if it's far, like if I go to the theater and like we're all the way in the middle, I need to like wear my glasses. Anyways, that's it. I think I'm ready. I'll put my lipstick in my bag.
Okay, then I'll rest it on it.
Yeah. So I have my lipstick, a little hand sanitizer so I can clean my hands before dinner. And I brought my ID. I brought a little bit of US cash and a little bit of Jamaican cash. I don't really need it, but I just like to have cash
Contacts.
in my wallet.
Watch and learn, Stacey. Quick,
Oh God, it doesn't make a difference. I just don't know what to do with them.
quick.
It's all good.
Very quick.
Thank God my eyes are like not that bad.
Then.
Because I feel better when you're all dressed up and you're not wearing the glasses. But if I can't do it, I can't do it, right?
Yeah. One in.
See how fast that was? I would be wasting time. Alright, I think that I'm ready.
I don't need to wear contacts. I don't need to see anybody else there. But you?
Ah, you see? And I'll be right next to you, so...
But I could see that. I could see all of that, but...
Yeah, so why are you putting it in? You don't need to see past me. Why do you need to see past me, Oral Denton? Husband? The kids are not here, so all you need to see is me.
Okay.
So I like this here because it's so easy. It's just like... And I'm ready.
Both contacts.
Thank you, Kashi. Big up my hairdresser, Kashi.
Both contacts in.
You're in? Alright, so
Perfect.
let's go. Alright. Listen, I'm literally using, I think I left my perfume. Just using body. Two different ones. Well, I like this regular one from Victoria. And also this vanilla.
See perfume? Perfume? I have a perfume over
I
here.
don't know where you put it, sweetie.
Well,
Let's skip the perfume. You smell good enough.
I know, but that's good.
Alright, get it. We gotta go. It's time.
You taking something you said, Stacey?
Like what?
You taking money?
I don't have enough money, no. There's some money here. We can...
Right on the iron board.
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't see the perfume.
No, it is. 5, 4, 90. Two, 6 is 12. 113.
Alright.
You found it?
No.
Alright, come, let's go.
This is your phone little thing right here?
Yeah, my phone case is on the table. For some reason it said water was in there. You got my case?
No. Put this on. I can't find.
It should feel so heavy.
I'm just gonna take 2 phones, that's it.
Ah.
Just gonna take 2 and leave the other one. Alright, you want to put these on the side?
Yeah, put them in the safe. Let's hope it doesn't shut on us. So guys, I have no idea what happened, but we put our passports and our cash and some ID in the safe. And then we went out, came back, the safe would not open. We had to call.
Alright, someone was here.
I just took it up and put it in my wallet.
Okay.
So anyways, we had to call to get the safe fixed. Here's my phone.
I get it.
So they came and reset the number, so we're good to go.
All right.
Anyways, all right.
See you at the party.
See you guys at the party.
Stacey. Hey guys.
Finally made it to the all-white party. People are hanging out outside and
But we're outside having a drink. And this is actually inside.
yes, there's a live band.
There's a live band
Yeah.
playing.
People are hanging out just having a drink.
Live band playing music prior to reggae. I think that's called Mento. Mento, yeah. Yeah, it's Mento. Yeah.
So we're gonna go on in. I don't know if we can do that. But we're gonna go and have a seat and hang out with everyone else. Are you want? Where's the band? Where's the band? No, we got some. Thank you. How does your fruit punch? Oral is having a fruit punch. He's so hungry. It's good? Yeah.
It's only a fruit punch, there's no liquor in it.
Well, that's okay because you have a glass of Chardonnay right there. All right, so you ready to go in? Oh, let's
she's
go.
coming
Yeah,
in.
yeah. Sit on your
That's
trip.
enough videos.